Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you a drop of that remedy will remove wrinkles from hands permanently and will get you wrinkle-free hands without any side effects with all natural ingredients. It's super effective remedy and super helpful. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of wheat flour, and I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box, so check that out. Then we need to add around 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well the dry ingredients. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You can use market aloe vera gel or natural aloe vera gel, both will get you the same results. Then we need to add around 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon or add until it get cream paste of milk, natural milk. Mix well all the ingredients like so. Once we get this cream paste, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your hands and leave it to dry out completely, then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective remedy, super helpful and super working. Repeat every night before you sleep this remedy and your hands will be wrinkle free naturally without any side effects. And my friends, the result will amaze you from first use. It removes wrinkles and fine lines naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.